Today, let's learn the way that you delete your Podimo account. If you no longer want to use the app of Podimo anymore and you're trying to delete your account along with all of your data, in this video, let me show you how. Now, if you search for the delete option within the Podimo app and you haven't found it, that's because there's no option within the Podimo app to delete your account. In order to delete your account, you need to submit a request to the support team of Podimo. To do that, open up the app and then head over to the profile icon on the top right. Head over to settings. If you scroll down, you'll see a section called Stay in Touch. You can tap on the Help and FAQ option. Now, within the support page of Podimo, you will need to scroll down and tap on Submit a Request. On the FAQ page of Podimo, they have listed that the only way that you can delete your account is through the contact form. So to head to the contact form, tap on Submit a Request. Choose if you are a podcaster or a user. Type in your email address that is linked with your Podimo account and then select the question. There's no separate option of deleting your account, so you can just type in the account option. Type in your subject, something as deleting account. Select your subscription type if you have any. If you don't, tap on NA. And lastly, you'll need to add in the exact reasons why you're trying to delete your account. So once you fill in all of this information, you can just hit that submit button. After you hit that submit button, within 24 to 48 hours, your account of Podimo should be deleted through the support page and through the support team on the Podimo platform. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'm going to be back soon with more videos just like this.